These high-protein Kale Chane Kebab Wraps are so nutritious and are the perfect lunch with some fresh veggies and a flavorful sauce, so let's make it. For our kebabs, we'll blend in together our boiled kala chana, green chili, ginger, paneer, spices, sattu flour, mint and yogurt. The yogurt will help to add some moisture and ensure a soft texture in the kebabs. Fold in some chopped onions and bell peppers, and this is ready to be shaped into kebabs. Now let's make a very simple salad. We will make a dressing of yogurt, tahini, honey, spices, and then mix this with whichever veggies you have. Now we will pan fry our kebab until they become nice and golden brown on both sides, and it's time to assemble. I have added a layer of garlic chutney followed by our salad, the kebabs, some pickled onions and chilies, and a drizzle of sriracha mayo. Trust me, these are so light and refreshing, truly a perfect meal. Hope you all like it. Head over to my blog for more detailed recipe and enjoy.